Hello everyone, this is your Insight Coach Poonam and welcome back to yet another interesting video on Graphology where you get to learn on how to improve your life by improving your handwriting. Here are some professions that can reap the benefits of Graphology. Number one on the list is psychologist. Psychologists can understand clients' emotions better, enabling a more comprehensive approach to therapy. Second on the list is lawyers. Lawyers can identify deception, stress, or other traits useful in criminal investigations or some kind of legal battles as well. Number three on the list are bankers. Bankers who deal with documents day in, day out. They can assess risk effectively by analyzing clients' handwriting for possible traits of fraud or dishonesty or some kind of forgery. Number four on the list are life coaches. Life coaches can help their client gain self-awareness and work on their personal development. Number five on the list are teachers. Teachers can tailor their teaching methods and strategies based on students' characteristics revealed through handwriting. Number six on the list are handwriting improvement teachers. Handwriting improvement teachers can determine the underlying issues for weak handwriting and guide students accordingly. They can create customized modules based on graphology. Number seven on the list are politicians. Politicians can enhance their public perception by improving their handwriting for better credibility. Number 8 on the list are trainers. Trainers can understand trainees' learning styles and adjust their training accordingly for maximum impact in their training. So the realm of graphology extends far beyond what we might think, and it is surely a skill worth considering for better professional outcomes. If you want to learn more about graphology, then do follow us on all social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And yes, do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Till then, stay blessed, stay empowered.